What do she do? I do everything. I move everything.
I am not looking for clout, no. I knew I would figure it out. I knew. I took the millionaire route, running up.
Hi y'all, it's Priska Love. And a couple videos back, I showed you guys how I made my sliding down the pole skeleton men. And today we're going to do the same thing for Christmas time with Santa's favorite helpers, these cute little elves. And yes, you see that my elves have afro hair because I'm black. And little cute little puff tails, puff balls. And I did get these from Dollar Tree. So these are super inexpensive for $1.25. You can get yours as well. I'm using my trusty fishing line, which you can find in my Amazon storefront. And I am wrapping it around. If you did see my previous video, I showed you exactly how I put up the skeletons. Now this time around, I did not want to use any tape like I did for the skeletons. And since these are plushie toys, it was way easier to just tie them directly to my light beam here with only the fishing line. And the fishing line is way stronger than it looks, guys. So if you look closely, the light kind of reflects off this clear string. That's what I'm using to tie both legs to my light beam. And I kind of wanted to, you know, give them a different vibe than my skeleton. So I'm making her do a split on it. And then you'll see what I do with my elf guy on the next light beam. So just keep watching. So I decided to put Mr. Elfie over here on this side upside down, and to ensure that his legs do not slide down, since there is nothing inside the legs, it's just nothing but the fabric, I had to wrap my fishing line around his legs and the beam a lot of times and then tie a knot. And it stayed. He stayed. So it's been super sturdy. They haven't fallen down not once. And it was super easy and super quick, guys. So let me know down below if you're going to try this. Also, I actually put up my Christmas decor before Thanksgiving. Tell me down in the comments below. Do you think Christmas decor should be up before Thanksgiving or afterwards? I really want to know your opinion. So there you have it, guys. Here are my elf men. Thanks for watching this video. You saw how easy and quick this is. You can definitely do it too. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.